Okay, students, we are going to talk about question number 5. This says use Euclid's division lemma to show that the cube of any positive integer is in the form of 9m, 9m plus 1 or 9m plus 8. For this, let us first write down Euclid's division lemma, which is A equals bq plus r, where r is more than 0 or equal to 0, and it should always be less than b. This is the condition. As I said, Euclid's division lemma or algorithm, this is the condition. You need to know this. Now the value of b is taken as 3. We will write down all possible values of remainder r. Possible values of r is equal to, as we know, it is either equal or more. So one possible value of r is 0 and 1 and 2 only, because our value should never be more than or equal to b. Therefore, we can take 0, 1 and 2 as the possible values of r. R is remainder. Now we will take one by one value of r. Let us start 0. When r is equal to 0, what happens to this? A will be equal to bq plus r. We will put the value of 0 here, r. A will be equal to, b is 3. We write q as it is, plus r is 0. This is the first case. Therefore, a is equal to 3q. Now we have to cube both sides. Both sides means LHS and RHS. When you cube this, this becomes a cube and this becomes 3q cube, whole cube, will be equal to a cube, 3 3 is a 9, 9 3 is a 27, q whole cube. This will be the first case. Here we can do one thing, we can go further. A cube is equal to, we take out 9 and then put 3q cube separately, so that we will be able to find the answer easily, because here we have to see 9m. Here 3q cube is some integer, which you can represent by the letter m. Therefore, this becomes a cube 9m. This is case 1. Now we will take the value of r as 1, right? Okay, when r is equal to 1, what happens to our Euclid's division lemma, which says a is equal to bq plus r. A will be equal to 3, because b is 3 here, q as it is, and r value we have taken 1. So we put 1 here. Now again, cube both sides. Cube both sides. Both sides means LHS and RHS. Then becomes a cube, which is equal to 3q plus 1 whole cube. I was telling you there is an identity which we have to use it here. The identity is a plus b whole cube, which says a cube plus b cube plus 3 into a into b into a plus b. A plus b whole cube is equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. This is the identity which we had to use it here. Now let us open this. 3q whole cube plus 1 cube plus 3 into a into b. This is a, this is b. 3 into 3q plus 1. Then open the bracket. A plus b. This is a and this is b. Right? Now we will simplify further. This becomes 27q cube plus 1 cube is again 1 plus 3 3 is a 9 q plus this is 3q plus 1. We write this as it is. Now further we go 27q cube plus 1 plus 9 3 is a 27 q square. We have two q's here. Q into q is q square plus 9q into 1 is 9q. Now further, we keep all the 27q cube, 27q square and 9q together. This is how we write. And put 1 in the last. What we do now, we take out 9 as a common factor. 9 3s are cube plus 9 3s are q square plus q plus 1 as it is. Now this will be equal to, we are talking about a cube, 9 into m plus 1. I will tell you how. This, the whole thing, whatever you see in the bracket is some integer which we want to represent by the letter m. Therefore, a cube becomes 9m plus 1. This is case 2. Value of r as 2. Writing a equals bq plus r. A is equal to 3q plus 2. Now cube both sides. A cube will be equal to 3q plus 2 whole cube. Again, using the identity a plus b whole cube, you know it is 3q whole cube plus 2 cube plus 3 into 3q into 2. 3q plus 2. This follows a plus b whole cube. A cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. When you simplify, you get 27q cube plus 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8 plus 3 to the 9, 9 into 2 is 18 q. 3q plus 2 is written as it is. Again further, 27q cube plus 8 plus 18 into 3 is 54 q square plus 18 to the 36 q. Here what we do, we take out 9 as common factor, will be 3q whole cube plus, for 54 we take out 9, 9 6 the 54 q square plus 9 4 the 4 q. Put this 8 to the last. Whatever is written in the bracket, all this will be some integer which is equal to m as per the question. Therefore, a cube is equal to 9 into m plus 8. This is our third observation. The answer is, we can write down by observation 1, 2 and 3, we find the cube of any positive integer is in the form of 9m plus 1 or 9m plus 8. We have arrived the answer. Okay, students, we have completed the exercise 1.1 completely. Hope you understood the questions and answers, how to answer them. If you have anything to write, please write in the comment box. Thank you.